that causes hair fall in a particular spots on the scalp, and this may also affect your beard, eyebrows and other parts of the body. Some people may face hair fall only in few spots on the scalp, but in rare cases the hair fall may cover the entire scalp also. Stress may be an aggravating factor for this condition. Lost hair can grow back in one spot and the person can experience a hair fall in another spot on the scalp. This particular client had come with alopecia areata with multiple patches. We treated this condition. By end of the treatment, we could see a drastic changes with new hair growth development and the entire scalp is fully covered with hair growth. VCare is using a unique method in treating this alopecia areata condition. This is an Alopecia Areata Therapy kit. This is the treatment what we provided for this particular client, and this will be helpful in stimulating the hair growth and also will improve the micro blood circulation on the scalp. Along with this treatment, it is very mandatory that we have to make lifestyle correction and to reduce the stress level.